Hi, hope you're enjoying yourself so far. My name is Mo, and I'm a first year student here in the trad school. Those last two tunes were the Donegal and the Fermanagh Highlands. Liz Doherty, a teacher and a great fiddle player from Donegal, came to see us before Christmas, and she introduced us to the Donegal Highland. Mossy then, the boss, decided that he would teach it to us, but of course Mossy never just teaches one, he teaches two. So we got the two of them. So a lot of blood, sweat and tears, I can tell you. Anyway, if you want to hear them again, Alton recorded them on their Island Angel album in 1993. Okay, so now I'm going to sing us a song called Nell Flaherty's Drake. Do you know what a drake is? It's a duck. A male duck. Right? So I'm not going to go into the history now because I don't know it, like Tony, but Robert Emmet was hanged in 1803. He was an Irish freedom fighter and a patriot and a great orator. He was only 25. His fiancée was Sarah Kern, and it is allegedly this song was written about them. It's actually a curse against the people that killed him. Now, it's an awful lot different to the curses you'd hear these days. And there's about 94 verses in it. No, I'm only joking you. It just felt like that when I was learning them. But there's only half that. Now, we sang yesterday for children, first years from the school here beside us, and I thought it was a great idea to ask them to count all the animals and scratchy buggy things that are in this song. So if you'd like to, any of you, adults, and you can do it too, I don't mind, you can count all the bugs and the animals in this song, okay? Okay. My name it is Nell, quite candid I tell. I come from Coot Hill, I will never deny. I had a large drake, I die for his sake, that my grandmother left me and she going to die. He was wholesome and sound, he'd weigh 20 pound, and the universe round would I roll for his sake. Bad luck to the robber, both drunken or sober, the monster that murdered Nell Flaherty's drake. His neck it was green, most rare to be seen. He was fit for a queen of the highest degree. His body 'twas white, it would you delight. He was plump, fat and heavy and brisk as a bee. This dear little fellow had legs, they were yellow. He'd fly like a swallow and dive like a hake, till some wicked savage, to grease his white cabbage, has murdered Nell Flaherty's beautiful drake. May his pig never grunt, may his cat never hunt, that a ghost him may haunt in the dead of the night. May his hen never lay, may his ass never bray, may his goat fly away like a now-paper kite. Let the flies and the fleas the wretch ever tease, and a bitter north breeze make him tremble and shake. May a 4-year-old bug lay a nest in the lug of the monster that murdered Nell Flaherty's drake. May his pipe never smoke, may his teapot be broke, and to add to the joke, may his kettle ne'er boil. May he ne'er rest in bed till the hour he is dead. May he always be fed on lobscouse and fish oil. May he swell with the gout till his grinders fall out. May he roar, bawl and shout with a horrid toothache. May his temples wear horns and all his toes corns, the monster that murdered Nell Flaherty's drake. May his spade never dig, may his sow never pig. May each nit in his wig be as large as a snail. May his door have no latch, may his house have no thatch. May his turkey not hatch, may the rats sit his mail. May monkeys still bite him and mad apes still fight him, and everyone slight him asleep or awake. May weasels still gnaw him and jackdaws still claw him, the monster that murdered Nell Flaherty's drake. The only good news that I have to diffuse is that Long Peter Hughes and Blind Piper McPeak, that big-nosed Bob Hanson and buck-toothed Bob Manson, they each have a grandson of my darling Drake. My treasure, he is dozens of both nephews and cousins, and one I must have or my heart it will break, to keep my mind aisy or else I'll run crazy. That ends the whole story of Nell Flaherty's Drake.